Hey Brad, it's Colin. Yeah, you got me. Actually, I'm stymied on this one. There's something missing, and I just haven't had enough coffee this morning, or my eyes don't spot it. Something in the code that's gone off the rails. Because here's what I did: is I copied your stuff directly over, just to see if the captions would show up, and it didn't work. And then I started copying in what I thought would be the most obvious thing, and that would be the div for the captions. And I copied it into a fresh new template. And that works. So it's like, okay, and I can't obviously spot the difference. Here's what you have here, and this may be causing the problem, but the height and the width and the style border, that might be interfering. I don't see why it would. But what I'm doing is I'm going to send you a new Nevo slider page. Just be be a download in the ticket. Grab it, drag it in to replace this one here, right? But make a copy of yours first, okay? Then drag my new one in and see if it works. Because what I'm doing is I took a fresh one, and I've updated. I've put all your stuff in here. As you can see, all your your descriptions are now showing up. The only thing that's different is it still has the original images. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to copy the link to your images into this Nevo slider here, like so, and then we'll see if that works. I mean, what we'll do is we'll copy these in. They won't show up uh, because obviously I don't have these images in my test site here, but that would be the next step. I couldn't spot the problem, right? I mean, aside from this inline style here, the height and the width and the border, but really that shouldn't make a difference. I tried to take a look to see if there's something else that, something else knocked out of place in your code, and it wasn't showing for me. But let's just save this here, and I'm going to preview it. So now that's the page I'm going to send you. So there's your doom. So the pictures aren't going to show because I don't have the same pictures you do, but the captions do show now. So let's try that out. I'm going to send that to you, drop it in like I showed you, and see if it works.